Okay, here we go again. Ready? So proud. Good boy. Here, we ready? Go get it. Okay. You like that thing, huh? Ready? Here we go. This one's going long. Go get it. Whoop. Oh, no. Can he find it? Where'd it go? It's in there. I see it. Keep looking. Okay, he went all the way around. Keep looking for it. It's right in there. He smells it. Look at that. He got it. You got it. Good boy. He took his time and went all the way around the flower bed. But he got it.